I did something, guys. I got another project. Let me show you guys. It is a all-wheel drive 335 twin turbo. And it works, but I got it really cheap. So it's doing like a rattling noise, and I think the mechanics say that probably is maybe the timing chain or the balance. Right now I am charging the battery because it was dead. Looks like I have a couple upgrades. I don't know, guys. It was a good choice. Let me know what you guys think. I am still working on the 320A. I know I have not uploaded any videos, but I already put the welded differential on it, and I put a mini Mantis angle kit. Right now it's not clean. And I put coilovers. You guys are not going to be able to see it, but I have a couple pictures and videos when I did it, but I will upload those soon. Quick update. I give her a good car wash, a good cleaning. I fixed the bumper, and it was missing 2 bolts. I removed that front plate, and now she's looking a lot better. I put the tail light from the 325, the donor, because it was missing one. Now it's a lot cleaner, and she's looking good. The interiors are decent too. Looking good.